Oh, hey, didn't notice you there. No.
I'm the baddest in America, thicker than a Jericho, just as Erica.
Don't care what you haters saying, I'm getting paid. I don't.
Hey, y'all. What's going on, best friends? It's your girl Erica Rasha, back at it again. So I'm about to go drop off this gift to Dietrich. He's working the desk right now. And then let's see, what am I gonna do? Then I have to run to the business school. I got a scholarship, so I gotta go drop off some paperwork up there. And then once I finish that, I am going to go to Lenox because I need to get my camera fixed on my phone. So if you go to Georgia State and you live in housing, then you know walking up this hill to Adderhold is no joke. I'm about to pass out, y'all. Whew, Jesus. So yeah, I hope y'all can hear. Can y'all hear it in my breathing? Like, I'm out of shape and I haven't really done this all summer. So hopefully I make it there. Cause shoot, I'm about to break a sweat. So I'm finished at the business school and I am now walking on Peachtree Center. And I'm going to Peachtree Center to go to Caribou. Y'all sign up for Caribou's Club because sometimes you can get some good deals. Like, I got me a nice little, the cereal milk cooler. Got it for like $2. It's like, come on, Caribou. So yeah, I'm on my way there. These birds are downtown. No bird would be that close to anything. So I'm drinking a white chocolate coffeeless cooler. It's lit. The train, just like that. Now we just have to figure out how to get upstairs. It's been forever since I rode the train. Bye, train. I've made it to Lenox. What's up, guys? So I am back. I got my phone fixed. It took forever. Literally forever, but now I am at Aaron's house. So we're about to make some videos for y'all for your viewing entertainment. Y'all make sure y'all go follow her channel at Romancing Aaron. This finger is me putting it at the bottom of the screen. I'm trying to remind myself visually, you know, so when I edit I can see it, but who knows, y'all know your girl's kind of out there. But all right, so I guess we'll see you soon, and hopefully we do something else because your girl is hungry. Y'all, they're feeding me. So it's hot lit like a big. Hi guys. Say hi. Hi guys. So we're at Gino's right now.
No, tell them where we really at.
Actually, we're at. I ain't saying that. We're actually across the street from.
What's this guy doing?
The video's horrible, but we're across the street from some Tokyo place, and it's called Erotica. I don't know. You know, we're good, wholesome church girls, so we don't know anything about that. That's like right. What that means. So we're actually just at the pizza spot. Because like I said, I'm hungry and they're gonna feed me. So I guess I'll see you when I get some food. At Gina's Pizza.
You don't think they're good?
And we have garlic.
Alright, you're right. Okay.
Recent pizza sauce all down my pants. I got a hole in my mouth. What? Woo!
Erica, don't do that. My skin got blemishes.
Hi, roommate. Yeah.
Bro, chill out with that. Chill out with that. Yep.
We're at Quick Trip.
He is trying to talk to you, honey.
Our last
You hear him
pit
trying to
stop.
talk to you?
Nope.
He was.
What happened?
He said, hey, little mama.
There ain't nothing little about me, baby. Alright, so we're leaving Quick Trip and we're about to head home. So this is going to be the end of this vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out Aaron's channel at Romancing Aaron. Well, Aaron and Romance's channel at Romancing Aaron. Yeah.
We'll see you guys next time.
Alright, bye.